Managing your enterprise payment stack does not need to be a headache. Payoneer's merchant portal lets you orchestrate the best payment experience for your customers. This is how you can start accepting global payments. Let's dive into the most important parts of configuring your payment engine. You can start by setting up a new provider contract. First, select the payment provider you have a contract with. Add your appropriate countries and select your preferred payment methods per region. Set general and specific transaction costs and amount limits. Next, create rules to route your country-specific transactions between your various payment providers. What you'll need to do here is add a payment rule by clicking on the plus sign.
For example, the fixed order rule lets you set up a hierarchy for using your backup providers.
You'll need to configure your payments page to offer a smooth customer experience. After you've established the order of payment methods being displayed per region, you can then preview your payment page. You can customize both desktop and mobile versions here to your liking. Once your payment setup is complete, you can focus on tracking progress and analyzing payment performance. Monitor transactions here with identifying information, such as email, country, currency, status, and more. With these steps in place, you should be well on your way to an optimized payment flow and global growth that you've been looking for. Want to learn more? Contact our experts for the complete set of features for configuring your payment setup.